So we have the Paradise. We have the Paradise ship, cruise ship. And we're gonna get some nice views from above. I got to a good spot now where I could fly without any restrictions to a certain point, because there's Tampa General Hospital that's in the area, and I still gotta fly with caution to make sure that I yield to any air traffic. But it's a little windy today. We're still getting some good shots, and we have a tugboat right here that's pushing out this boat, right? So I'm trying to get some good shots of this particular activity. And we have another cruise ship right here. I'm not trying to go too close to it. I'm gonna have to check in with my boy to see where he's at with it, because he's flying and I don't want to have any issues while I'm flying and he's flying. So I'm going to try to get closer to this this cruise ship right here. I'm at 300 plus feet right now. I'm dropping down a little bit more to see if I could get some more, a closer shot per se. So this is a Carnival Paradise. Now I want to say they're probably getting ready to get out of here from the port of Tampa. I got 46% on my battery. You got a lot of life jackets. You got a pool. We got all type of amenities on this Carnival cruise. Okay, let's see. It looks pretty steady, but let's see. We're gonna try to get the other ship. So they're giving the warning for the Carnival that they need everybody to get on the ship and check in. They may be having issues with folks not checking in. My gimbal is a little shaky still, I can see it, but I think I'm gonna have to try to fix it when I get home. Let's get a little bit of view on this ship right here. Okay, we got 55 minutes on this battery. So I'm gonna try to get some nice shots of this ship with a bad gimbal. So I saw the jittery on the first flight, but I thought it was the wind, even though I know the wind don't usually mess with it too much. But and this looks like a big old whale's tail. I guess that's the exhaust. Also, you got a nice little slide right here. I'm pretty sure people are thinking, I hope the slide stays intact, because if it doesn't and it pops right here, where am I gonna end up? Right? Some people are enjoying it. All the functions. looks small from above, but trust and believe. Usually they are bigger than what we see. All right. Getting some nice pan views. Up close type thing. And there's my whale's tail. Look at that. They're using the amenities. And there is my drone. I can see it from my vantage point. So right now, I'm just gonna get some shots while I can with the 20% battery we got left, and then yeah. Oh shit. There's a damn helicopter. I'm going away from the helicopter. And then I'm gonna come back here as fast as I can. Let me see if my guy's on. I'm gonna go land. That's it. And that's the landing right now. I'm gonna go back and try to jimmy rig and tuck back in. There's a little piece that popped out of the gimbal, so that's what I'm gonna take care of later on. And that is the flight for today. windy. We had a few aircraft start moving around. It's a good thing because that's a good indicator to ground your aircraft and avoid all those. I saw 2, and there's too many for me. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure you look at the other videos that I got posted. All right, I do have some photography stuff in the shorts section. I appreciate everybody, watching all my videos. So y'all have a good one. Peace.